Bay designs, and you might recognize me from my recent series I've been making, where I've been creating an entire collection instead of a Barbie video game from 2004. If you don't, you might recognize me from TikTok, where I make silly little videos about people that I've dated and comedy content. Either way, this is going to be a little bit different than anything we've done before. It's still going to be some sewing content, but it's also going to be a little bit of a vlog, because as we know, it is Leo season. Let me hear it from my Leos. The best zodiac sign there is. Okay. And of course, as a Leo queen, I had to make a video about my birthday, and in particular, make a new outfit for my birthday. So this year I decided I wanted to go a couple hours away to a place called Rock City. It's a really beautiful place around here. It's got like an enchanted garden, like a hiking, walking trail, like some drinks. There's a cliff, there's waterfalls, there's little gnomes. It's beautiful. It's super cool. So I decided I wanted to go a few hours away and stay in a tree house in the woods and then go to Rock City. And of course I had to look cute in Rock City. We're going to be going near cliffs and waterfalls, and we're going to be taking Instagram photos. Okay, and I'm a designer, so first thing first, I'm going to make my birthday outfit. And I thought it would be a really great opportunity to kind of introduce a little mini series that I might do every now and then of just thrift flipping. Taking things that I've thrifted over the years and actually doing something with them. I have a large collection of things that I've thrifted where I'm like, well, this doesn't fit, but it's beautiful and I can make it fit. Or this has potential as a fabric, but the style isn't quite me. And I've just never done anything with that. For my birthday, I decided to pull out this beautiful white dress that I had that just was a little bit too small for me. It didn't fit exactly the way that I wanted, as well as it was a little bit long, and I wanted it more as a summer dress. And alter it to make it a birthday dress that I could wear on the mountain and look majestic and beautiful and ethereal. So that's what I did. What you're going to see now is an adorable vlog of me making the dress and then how my birthday went and the cute little events that follow. I hope you enjoy. I hope you stay tuned until the very end, because we've got some exciting news to share. Guys, we're jumping straight in with showing you what the dress originally looked like. So I liked this dress a lot because of the detailing up at the top that has like the little lacy bits and the little embroidered bits. My problems with it were that it was a little bit too small, especially that it didn't have like enough flounce in the skirt area. And then it was a little like awkward length for my height, especially. It just kind of like cut off mid shin, I want to say, which I wasn't a big fan of. I wanted it to be shorter so it was more of a summery dress, because it was a very summery dress fabric. But I still wanted it to have a little bit more detail. I have never been a big fan of wearing a lot of white. I'm really pale. So I wanted it to have just a little bit more detail, you know, like some color in it, but not anything kind of out there. So I decided I wanted to add these two different fabrics to it. They both have the exact same pattern, but one has a light pink background and one has a white background. So since I cut off the really fun bit at the bottom that had that little lacy bit, I wanted to add still like a little ruffly thing at the bottom. So I made the dress kind of short so that I'd have enough length for that. And on the sides, I wanted to add this like pink fabric just to break it up a little bit, draw attention to the top part that has the pink embroidery, add a little bit of color, just make it fun. So you kind of see me adding on the different bits there, laying out the fabrics, laying down some base stitches, and then I go in and adjust it once I've got everything kind of where I need it to be. I had to try it on a few times. I did my measurements, but there's a method to my madness, okay? And the method is, I don't know, it always ends up great. It's like some videos of me just kind of like really fastly sewing through the different pieces and adding on the little ruffle at the bottom. And I saved that extra fabric that had the little lace bits because honestly I think I could do something really fun with it. But yeah, here's the finalized dress. You're gonna see me waking up the morning of my birthday and the little birthday vlog, staring out into the woods, you know, just getting ready for Rock City. And then we go to Rock City and we saw like a little gnome at the beginning. We sat down, we had a coffee, we looked over the map just to kind of see where we were, you know, our day was going to take us. We had hours here at Rock City, okay? But we wanted to make sure that we made the most of it. Here we are just kind of, you know, enjoying the trails. It's me walking down the trail. I really think that my dress with the pink detailing looked really great with the scenery, honestly. Just kind of exploring the mountain. You know, they have several trails to go through, including the Fairyland Caverns, which I really loved. The only problem is that they had these signs that I couldn't go on certain trails and go in certain places, but everything was really big and I just wanted to get a closer look. So I just started climbing behind the bars, kept getting yelled at and almost like kicked out, which was kind of crazy. But I mean, I just wanted a closer look to nature. I don't know what the big deal is. So here's some videos of me, you know, just kind of climbing through those bars, trying not to get caught, but it was worth it. You know, I got to take like a little bit of a swim. We took a little rest on the stairs at one point, just because it was a lot of walking. And then, you know, we get to some really beautiful scenery, and honestly, it made me reflect on a few things, guys. It's my 25th birthday, and I just kept thinking to myself, you know, I am a Barbie girl. In a Barbie world, actually. This big, huge Barbie world that we're all a part of. And we're all Barbies at heart. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what anything is anymore. What's the purpose of life? Do you guys ever think about dying? I do. And I did on top of the mountain. Anyways, sorry. That bit, you know, listen. I was doing that bit all day on my Instagram story and people were eating it up. And if you guys don't eat it up, I'm gonna be a little bit upset. But here's some videos of me, like, walking through with the actual finished dress, because I was like, listen, this is funny, but I do need some videos of, like, what it ended up like. So, yeah, with beautiful scenery in the background. I liked it a lot. I think it was a little bit more me, especially with the length. I can't take any serious videos, I swear to God. I'm so sorry. Anyway. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this birthday journey with me. I thought that I made a really cute dress. I had a lot of fun in Rock City. I'd never really been there before. I might have when I was a kid, but I don't remember it. But it ended up just being like a super fun experience, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just going.
Fell directly down underneath me.
Anyways, seriously though, I was not expecting her as a birthday gift, but this this was so fitting. Like, she's such a fitting birthday gift for me. I literally carried her around all day. At one point, we were putting her up. It's like the little lookout things they have in Rock City, like this. And this lady was giving me the freaking stank eye. Dude, I'm trying to have fun. It's my 25th birthday. I'm trying to... I'm having a good time. Have you not seen the Barbie movie? Grow up. Be an adult. Be nice to other people. Oh my god, it's not that hard. Jesus. I had a great time. I frolicked through the woods with a little Barbie doll, and I wore a pretty dress. Honestly, could anyone ask for anything else for a birthday? Because I'm a Leo, I have more birthday plans. Actually, I'm going out of town again, quite literally, in like a day. But, you know, listen. You expect me to do one thing for my birthday?
One thing for my birthday?
You know nothing about me if that's what you expect. Absolutely nothing. Anyways, I'm really glad you guys tuned in. I actually have another video planned for this month before we get back to our Barbie series, but our Barbie series is continuing, of course, August 26th, 8:30 p.m. Central Time. See you there. Watch them. They're hilarious and beautiful and fun and creative and inspired. Okay, but before that, I do have another little fun filler video this month, just because it's the month of August. Therefore, my birthday is the entire month. Therefore, you're legally obligated to watch all of my videos and share them with everyone you've ever met in your entire life, so that they share them with everyone they've met in their entire life, and so on and so forth. You're also legally obligated to like and comment and share and subscribe and whatever YouTubers usually say. My point is, I am going to film everything I do this month, basically, to make you guys come along with me, because this month's all about me. I don't know if you knew this, but Taylor Swift actually wrote August for me. She released the 1989's Taylor version announcement on my birthday, so basically this Speak Now announcement was at the concert I went to, so basically everything's about me. Anyway, yeah, it's just another fun video that I'm making. I'm going to a concert and making an outfit out of it, and I hope you guys join along. I hope you come view it. It'll be later this month, right before our Barbie series video. So, I will see you guys soon. She will see you guys soon. She's a new staple of this channel. So, we love you. See you next time.